The term slumlord refers to a landlord who runs property without concern for the tenants. Often, a slumlord doesn't repair or maintain the properties and will take advantage of poor people with few options. In McCutcheon v. United Homes Corporation, the Washington Supreme Court fought back against an unscrupulous slumlord's attempt to take advantage of its tenants. Norma McCutcheon and Douglas Fuller were tenants of United Homes Corporation. Both tenants executed leases containing an exculpatory clause releasing their landlord, United Homes, from all liability for injuries sustained due to the condition of the premises. Unfortunately, both tenants were injured in the common areas of their apartment building. McCutcheon fell down a flight of unlighted stairs leading from her apartment. Fuller also fell down some stairs outside his apartment when a step pulled loose. The tenants brought suit, alleging that their injuries were caused by United Homes' negligence in maintaining the common areas. Citing the exculpatory clauses in their leases, United Homes moved for summary judgment. The trial court granted the landlord's motion and dismissed the case. The plaintiffs appealed to the Washington Supreme Court.